So after my first print, I think that this Wanhao Duplicator 9 is a pretty good printer. It's pretty robust. It's a solid metal frame. It's very hardy, and you know, I ran it for like 36 hours and it was still printing alright. I think it's a very good printer to invest in because of the value. Now I print 30 by 30 cm by 40 cm, which is quite a big print area. Of course, not everyone will print such big things, but you know, it's better to have that capacity. If you need it one day, you'll be able to print. The only drawback would be the nozzle is too small for big printing, so you would want to buy a slightly bigger diameter nozzle if you do get this printer, just in case you need to print some big stuff and you don't really care about resolution. I love the this removable print bed. So how it works is that it's magnetic. What you need to do is basically, after your printer has cooled down, you pull this up, and the whole thing comes out. It's actually secured by magnet, right? And then what you do is that you can actually peel this off. Very easily, right? So this is, if you go onto the internet, you'll see a lot of printers, a lot of people, they have a lot of problems in removing their print from the print bed. You know, they'll spray water, they'll use alcohol, they'll scrape it with a tool, and that may cause damage to the print bed. But with this removable print bed, it's fairly easy to get your prints out of the print bed. Again, if you go to YouTube, you'll see a lot of people having problems removing their hard printed. You know, they waited so long for the print to come out, and you know, it could be destroyed when they were trying to remove it from the print bed. And one final thought is that yeah, this is a pretty good printer for the price you pay. I paid I mean, the retail price is USD $599, which includes shipping. So I would say in the market, this is really quite a good printer to buy, even if you're a beginner. The drawback, okay, it takes up quite a lot of space because, you know, it prints a lot. It prints big stuff, so you can consider this if you are thinking of going to 3D printing. Thank you. Anybody wants to eat fried bee hoon?
No, that's not bee hoon. That's from the beef dog.